If you're from the Philippines, definitely the word mega mall isn't new to your ears. The mega mall is conveniently located in Abu Shagara, a vibrant neighborhood in the heart of Sharjah, one of the largest metropolitan cities in the United Arab Emirates. I've covered more shopping malls in my past videos, which include the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping malls in the entire world, The mega mall was opened in 2002, landmarking the Emirate of Sharjah's retail sector and becoming one of the leading retail and leisure destinations in the United Arab Emirates. The mall is known for its influence in the fashion concept, with many famous brands having opened up many retail stores. Kids love Antiques Land, an indoor theme park with 30 rides, including a roller coaster and many ferries. The mall has maintained and achieved astonishing traffic records with over 25k visitors per day and over 30k visitors on weekends. Sharjah's mega mall has a variety of stores spread over 4 floors. It has many international, regional and local brands. Megamart is one of the best supermarkets in it.